Hey guys, JR here today. We got a giant mail call. I want to start by apologizing to everybody who has sent me stuff. I've been having trouble with the post office not delivering my mail, or they'll get the packages back returned to sender. Not quite sure what's going on, how to ratify the situation, but I do appreciate everybody that sent me some stuff. So let's get into these packages and see what we got. Alright, let's make a little room here. See if we can't do this quick, because I know the world doesn't have much of an attention span. Everybody loves a good unboxing though, right? First package. Oh, this is from CloverTac. Got the Valkyrie hat. I think that's a type of ammo. Spear gold dot sticker. CloverTac business card. Some more stickers in here. I was a winner. Mossberg Arm Yourself sticker. Really hard to see on camera. Alright. Thanks a lot, Clover. Really appreciate it. Let's get right into the second one. We'll keep this show going. I got a feeling this one's from Budget. There it is. Budget Guns and Gear business card. Got the cool Budget sticker. Let's make a little room here. And then this is going to be the Budget Guns and Gear hat. Awesome. I've been looking forward to seeing that. That's pretty cool. With the nice Velcro back. That'll be nice. Oh, hey. Look at here. We got a pile of Budget stickers. Awesome. Thank you very much, Budget. I really appreciate it, man. Onward and upward, people. This one's from Rick's Life as I See It. I got a good feeling I know what's in this one. Hey, look at that. Some push-in earplugs. I absolutely love those. Spotted Rick sticker. Super cool. I'm gonna run out of room fast, you guys. And then we got Every Second Matters business card, Gun Channel's business card. Boy, Rick sent a lot of good stuff. Look at this whole little packet of stickers here. Let's see if we can get through these quick. Looks like they're the little green Army Men stickers. Awesome. Those are great. I don't know where these came from, but thanks, Rick. I really love these. My kid's going to get a kick out of these. Look, there's a pile of them too. Awesome, awesome, awesome. There's more stuff from Rick yet. If you guys haven't checked out Rick's channel, you should really go look into that. Look, a couple more push-in earplugs. He's got Rick's Life as I See It and Shooting with Disabilities. Got a CloverTac sticker. I have no idea what that one is. If anybody knows, you could let me know. Got TBA. Oh, look, the ammo can sticker from G-Webs, Gear Websites. That's awesome. Super cool. A couple of Glock stickers. Got the Don't Discriminate and the 2017 Armed with Confidence. Now, make a little more room again. Here we got the pocket knife. And if you guys aren't familiar with Rick's channel, he does some daily trivia questions. Gives away some great prizes. Look at that. Smith & Wesson double-edged. That's pretty cool. I think actually I have another package from Rick. Let's get right into that one since we're talking about Rick. Trying to do this quick. I guess I said that already, huh? Hey, look here. Boy, no shortage of stuff from Rick when you win those trivia questions. A little Second Amendment sticker from Strike Industries. Gun Show Loophole Tour business card. Man, I got a pile of stuff from Rick. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Thank you again so much, Rick. Oh, look, we got the little G-Webs patch. The small van patch. Very cool. Wow, my table's a cluster. Alright guys, a couple more to go here. I believe this one is from Rowcall. see what's in here. I'm dropping stuff. Oh, it's another one from Rick. Red Dawn sticker. A couple more business cards for G-Webs. Another spotted Rick. Oh, a 7.62 ammo card. And it'll give you all your specs for your 7.62 by 39 Russian. Super, super cool. More push-in earplugs. Can't say it enough. Look at this pile of stuff. Thank you, Rick. I really appreciate it, man. Lots of goodies. And they got here in great shape. Alright. Only a couple left, you guys. Hang tight. Let's see what we got going on here. This one's from... I believe this will be from Rowcall. Yep, I got a nice little letter in here from Roll. Keep that for me. Got Tulsa sticker. And a Tulsa, Oklahoma key tag with like an oil rigger guy on it. Very cool. Thanks a lot, Roll. Really appreciate it, man. Alright, this last one is going to be the Guess Who prize pack from Midnight Range TM, G-Webs, and Patriot in the Dark. Let's see what we got going here. Thank you for your support and playing. Hey, look at the runner-up package. Not bad at all. Got another Gun Channels patch. Really like those. Oh, super cool. I got the little Gun Channels trading cards. John Z. I'm not sure who the picture of the dog is. Cute dog. And Early Watch Illinois. If anybody ends up with the Early Watch Minnesota card, love to have it. I don't know if it's out there or not. Thanks again, everybody, for stopping in and checking this out. Want to thank everybody one last time. Budget Guns and Gear, CloverTac, Rowcall, Rick's Life as I See It, and G-Webs, Midnight Range, and Patriot in the Dark. Really had fun with that giveaway, you guys. Sorry it took so long to get this stuff up. And please, adopt your pets from animal shelters.